Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little Bargain Bead Box unboxing. There's a lot of buzz in one sentence. But yeah, I got another Bargain Bead Box. It's a monthly subscription thing where I get some beads for a relatively low price. I'm going to link it down below because I'm not sponsored. And I've decided to stop like shilling these because apparently I'm a bit of an enabler. And I apologize in advance if you have been enabled by me. But I'm also not sorry because this stuff is cool and I love sharing it with you guys. So I do kind of like the idea that I am enabling some people to pick up this stuff, but all the relevant information for Bargain Bead Box will be down below. It's a monthly thing. It's cool. I love it so far. We've been doing it, and then we've been making stuff from it. And I know I haven't done last month's make, but I promise you guys I'm in the middle of it. I had to let stuff dry. You'll see when we get there. It's going to be really cool. But last month's make is still coming. It's in the pipeline. But we're going to open this up first, because I can't sit on this. I love getting this box, which is not a box, it's a bag, so much that I can't let this one sit. Like, this one, I just get so excited for it. So I was going to, like, wait until I finished doing the make video for last month, but then I started seeing other people's unboxing videos pop up, and I was like, no, you have to get into yours. There's no way you can possibly wait. So, yeah. Here we are, because it's my birthday month. So this is, like, an extra birthday gift to me. Also, I got it on my birthday, so it's sort of destiny. So let's see. The theme for this month is Peach Sorbet. It is inspired by 2024's Color of the Year. This refreshing palette includes juicy peach tones swirled with strawberry, raspberry pinks plus accents of cream, natural gemstones including strawberry quartz, hessianite garnet, and rhodonite combined with sparkling crystals and golden findings for an icy fruity blend. We especially love the tiny agate peach and hand-made lampwork blossom beads. That was a lot. That was a lot of words. I like peaches. They're not my favorite stone fruit, but I do like peaches. I do happen to actually really, really love stone fruit in general, so like, yeah, I'm done with the peach sorbet collection. The bag is also peach colored, so that's exciting. I'm going to drop you guys down a little bit lower so you can see all the details, so I don't have to pull everything out of the bag. So, hold on. Ooh, we're so close. Alright, let's see what we got. I like this bag because I feel like for the price you get quite a lot. So, I always feel like it's worth it. And this is really cute. They're looking really white on camera, but they are kind of a peachy, like, undertoned off-white color. They're not this white. I'm like shook right now as to how white they look on the camera. But they are glass rondelle beads in apricot with a gold wash. And those are so nice. I really like that. That's very fancy. It's very, like, old-fashioned fancy. You know what I mean? Like something Parisian and delicate and lovely. I love that. And then these... What are these? They're very shiny. That gold is really bright. This is freshwater shell links. Okay, so we got like a seashell bead. I think we can kind of see that like in this one here. Some of the line like markings from the shell. This one here too. But they're really pretty. They're really nice. So that's fun. And then what's up? We got peach quartz, which has been dyed. Round beads. These are 8mm beads. It's a nice color. It's giving more brown than peach, but you know, it's right on the. This is peach moonstone. That's what I'm looking at to see the color comparison. So you know, it's more of an orangey peach than a pinky peach, but it's nice. I do like this color. It does go really well with what we have so far. So let's see. We got some findings. These are 18 karat gold plated brass tube bale beads. So I get that it's a bale. It's like a bead with a little loop on it. That's what it is. I don't know why it's so special. I feel like jewelry people will be like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. But like, as a not jewelry person, to me this is a bead with a loop on it, and I don't understand why it's special. Outside of it being 18 karat gold. That's a little fancy. But useful. It could still be used, so I'm not going to poo-poo on that. I can hang a cool charm off of it, and it'll be fancy. So let's see. What else did we get? Oh, we got two sparkly things in my hand right now. Put down this one. This is a 4mm crystal faceted bicone bead in peach shimmer. And that is very shiny. Very fancy. I do like this. I like this color. It does match really well with the peach tone we already have so far. And then we have Hessianite Garnet faceted round beads. So that was in the description. I've never seen Hessianite Garnet, so that's pretty neat. It's a really fun, like, dark orangish color. Like an ambery orange color. Which is nice. Those are really nice. I also like how sparkly they are. It's very exciting. And then we have some bead caps, it looks like. Gold-plated brass bead caps, or 18-karat gold-plated brass bead caps. So another fancy 18-karat gold little situation. And these are like little flower shapes. Can you guys see that? So they're getting little like peach blossom vibes, which is really cute for being on theme. And I do like in this box that you get stuff that is, like, you get beads and findings, because I don't have a lot of this stuff, so it's nice to have, you know, a little supply of that, but not like a ton, because I don't think I would use all of these. But we got a bonus, which is some 2x1mm brass crimp beads, and those are nice. Nice little crimp beads. I have a crimping tool, so I do know those. I am familiar with those. And we got another bonus. So, like, these were just extras they tossed in, I guess. 24-piece brass clamshell bead tips. And these are the ones that, like, you close off the ends of stuff. And they close. Which is nice. Also fancy. This is a little bit slightly different in tone to all the other stuff. Like, this is 18-karat gold and this is brass, for sure. But it's a goldy brass. But it still works. I think it still works with all the stuff we have. I need to make space. And then, what did we get? Ooh, we got some leaves. These are nice. These are really nice. Some of these might go in the Goblin Journal, because these are nice. Let's see. They are pressed glass leaf beads in olive ombre. Ombre. I know how to say it, but right now I don't. Words are really hard, you guys. But these are nice. These are really nice beads. I like that a lot. I want more leafy beads. I might actually have to go look at their website and pick some up. And we have a lampwork glass blossom bead in peach. So this is lampwork glass, which is really cool. Can you see the details? I may have to pull this one out, because it's very fancy. But also not very, like, saturated in color. So a little bit trickier to see. Look how pretty that is. It's like a little peach blossom in, like, some blown glass. That's really pretty. That's very fancy. I feel like most of this will have to wait till spring, like this peach theme kit, but still, very cool. Very exciting. Oh, stuff is stuck together. Hold on. Let's see. We got this really nice little pendant, and this is going to be strawberry quartz and brass pendant. And this is indeed strawberry quartz. You can't see it, I'm all the way over there. That's a really nice little pendant. I like that. That's pretty. It's not super fancy or anything, but it like the simplicity of it, I really like. That's really nice. I won't be able to wear it because it's brass, so it's going to go into a journal. But what did we get? We got a chain, which is nice. This is a brass Coriana chain, but it is the type I can wear, so I have to figure that out. Save that for something nice and fancy. That's pretty cool. And then we've got some more beads. We got some freshwater shell round beads, so the same ones that we got with the little, like, bits on the end. These ones, but slightly smaller. We got a bunch of these shell beads, and look, they're pretty. I could not figure out, because I was looking at it through the bag, if there was like an iridescence to it, but some of them do have a little extra shiny iridescence. These are really pretty beads. I really like these ones. And then we got a peach moonstone and brass faceted drop. So look how nice this is. Ooh, and it is faceted, so it's sparklier than it would be normally, but it's still really pretty. I love this. I wish there were two, because this would make really cute earrings. These are really nice, and it does match, so. Nice qualities. Ooh, we got some iridescent beads here. These are 8mm frosted glass synthetic moonstone beads in apricot. These are nice. I do like a nice, like, iridescent frosted glass bit. I have some beads like that already, so that's cool. There's a lot of stuff in this bag. Like, there's still more bags in here, guys, if you can believe it. And then we have some strawberry quartz chips, large chip beads. Dyslexia came through right there. That was a struggle. 7.5 inches of that. That's a lot of strawberry quartz. Look how pretty that is. And I do like that they're irregularly shaped. It adds a nice variety. And then there's still more stuff. We got some lobster clasp, stainless steel lobster claw clasp. So that's nice. Can't have too many of those. And we got stainless steel marquise links. I've never seen these before. That's a cool shape. So I guess you can like connect stuff to it and it'll be like a connector because it's a link. Interesting. Interesting space. And this is the pink rhodonite round beads in 6mm. So those are nice. They're not super vibrant. But like rhodonite has like a good range of pinky colors, so it's there. It's definitely pinky. It's showing up very vibrant actually on camera. It's a lot more neutral in person, but it's still really nice. And then the last thing we got, if you can believe there's still more stuff, is this agate peach charm with 18 karat gold plated brass bail. And it's a little peach, you guys. Look how cute this is. This is a really cute theme. I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do, but I do. It's a little peach. It's got its little peach butt. Look how cute. That is so cute. It's really nice too. And the little like enamel bead bits. I don't know what those are made of. They look like enamel, but it could be anything. Oh, that's a really cute, really super tiny, delicate charm, but really sweet. I like that a lot. So let's see. The cool thing is that they give you a coupon for every month that you can use. There's also like a thing where you can win a gift certificate by making stuff and taking pictures and stuff like that and doing all the things. I'm not gonna do that. I don't have time for that. But I got time for this. So it does list, we got 19 items plus a free bonus, brass clamshell, bead tips, and crimp beads. So technically we got 21 items, and the total retail value is $84.81. So that's a good deal. I spent $23 on this. So a pretty substantial deal. Beads are not cheap, so yeah, I love this box. I love this box so much. I kept saying I was going to keep getting this until I ran out of space to hold my beads. That's a lie. I've already run out of space. And I'm going to keep getting it because I like this stuff so much. I just have to find better storage solutions for my bead stuff. And then maybe go into the jewelry making business so I can use some of it up. That might also be a thing to look at in the future. But let me know, you guys, what was your favorite part? What do you think of this month's box? I really love it. I really enjoy it. And I will be back, of course, with a make using stuff from this box. Like I said, I have last month's make on the way as well. It had to dry, so it took a little bit of time in between, and then I got distracted. But I'm coming back to it, so don't worry. I will be back for it. And yeah. That's it for me, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting, guys. Bye!